Hi pretty faces, glad meeting you all today. I hope you're all happy, safe and healthy at home. I'm Shalini from Badasana Metric High Secondary School, Arakonam. Guys, what do you do in your spare time, or how will you make spare time little more interesting? Can you tell me? You'll read books. Okay, then you'll go camping. Okay, fine. Then you'll listen to songs. Okay, yeah, so we might do these things in a spare time. So we might call these things under some category. Can you tell me what's that? Anyone? Yes, well said Tulil. It's called hobbies. So what do you mean by hobbies? Yeah, tell me, what do you mean by hobbies? Yes, hobbies are usually done in free time. It is some kind of activities that we do in free time or leisure time. Am I right? Yes. So you might find you're not so lonely if you had some hobbies. So hobbies are really fantastic because they allow you to feel happy or you to enjoy. So especially I love to go skiing. Skiing means it's like breathtaking, because whenever I feel irritated or disturbed, I'll just go skiing. I'll just walk out to some free area or to open space and I'll just go skiing. So through this my mind will get refreshed. So that's why I love skiing. And you might also have these kind of hobbies, right? So like painting or taking snaps or like playing instruments, reading books and doing some arts and crafts and go camping. So you might have these kind of hobbies in your life. So here you might ask some question with me. Ma'am, can hobby turn into career? Do you think so, guys? Can hobby really turn into career? Let's see. Yes, it's possible to turn your hobby into full-time career. But how? Yes, for that you should try to inject some creativity and passion from your hobbies into workplace. And you should always wake up every morning feeling inspired. And if you want things get done, just have a knowledge, willpower and courage and perceive things in a good way and have a good discipline to get things done. Okay. So through this, can you guess what's the topic today? Yes, well said Pravin. Today our topic is from Unit 2 Prose, hobby turns into a successful career. Yes, so but today I am just going to teach you the section 1 of the story or the lesson, hobby turns into a successful career. So yes, this section is all about hobbies. So I told you hobbies are usually activities done in free time or leisure time. So in this section, there is a protagonist and his name is Mani, M-A-N-I. So his name is Mani. So usually he studies in village. So he had some difficulty in reading and writing. So his grandfather started reading bedtime stories to Mani before he slept. Okay. So then Mani, on hearing these bedtime stories, he gradually started reading stories by himself. So usually reading bedtime stories or narrating bedtime stories is a traditional form of storytelling. Do you all agree that? Yes, our grandparents also told some of the bedtime stories to us, right? So we might face these kind of incidents in our childhood days. So likewise, Mani's grandfather also narrated some bedtime stories to Mani. So gradually by hearing that, he started reading himself and he also started writing his own stories by himself. So this is all about Mani's and his grandfather's relationship. Here there is a quote, guys. Happy is the man who can make a living by his hobby. Do you all agree this quote? Yes, so hobby really makes a man very happy. So now let's see essay written by Mani. And there is a quote here, whatever you like to do, make it a hobby. Yes, so it is a kind of passion. Do you all agree that hobby is kind of a passion? So whatever you like to do, you can make it as a hobby. Am I right? Yes. So let us see what actually Mani writes in his essay. So his essay was full of hobbies. So actually everybody will has a different hobby. Do you all agree that? You will have a different hobby and I'll have a different hobby. So you will have a hobby as swimming and I'll have a hobby as reading books. So we might have different hobbies according to their situation, according to their behavior. But Mani's hobby is writing. So by doing hobbies, we might also feel so many things. So let me say what's that. So we'll learn new things. Second, we'll refresh our mind after a busy day. And finally, we'll energize our body and mind. And then Mani also feels that writing is a different form of hobby than all other hobbies. Do you all agree that? For example, let us take gardening. Okay, so gardening is a kind of physical work. But some they don't prefer physical activity because they'll feel tired about it. And similarly, writing may be tough for others but not for Mani. Because Mani thought that writing is like painting his thoughts with words. So whenever he has a free time, he'll just take a notebook and pen and he starts writing stories, poems and even about his thoughts and feelings. So now I am just going to tell you something and please give a try, because if you write, you will feel really happy. So just take a notebook and pen in your free time and just start writing something, your feelings or your emotions or something else, and it will really give a change and you will get surprised on yourself. So just give a try to write, okay. So he was very happy in his writing. So Mani feels his imagination is too good when he writes. So his thoughts are endless, where he can create a world with magic and magicians, where birds can sing, animals can talk and he can fly. So through this we come to know that writing helps to increase our creativity level. So that's why I told you, keep writing something and for sure you can see some changes on yourself. And Mani also showed his writing or his stories or his poems to some small children around him, and on seeing that or on hearing that, they were very happy, and the happiness which Mani sees on their faces motivates him to write more and more. So writing is not just a hobby for Mani, it also creates some passion on himself. So that's why I told you, whatever you like to do, make it a hobby. So if you want to do something which is more interesting, just make it as a hobby and you'll feel really some changes on you. So now let's see. Yes, hobby turns into career. So in this part, I would like to tell you how Mani's hobby turns into career. So children, is it possible to turn hobby into career? Yes, it's really possible to turn hobby into career. So here Mani changed himself and now he feels that everything is writing and he loves to write, and Mani is more vigilant and he sees things in a different way. So what do you mean by vigilant? V-I-G-I-L-A-N-T, vigilant. Vigilant means watchful. W-A-T-C-H-F-U-L, watchful. That means nothing but, let me give you some example for this. Be more vigilant on your wallet. Wallet means purse. So here vigilant means to make somebody careful out of danger or some disaster, okay. That is called as vigilant. So Mani is so vigilant and he sees everything in a different way, and now his hobby turns into career, where he writes English essays in a fluent way. So his way of writing is also changed and his way of approach is also changed. So Mani finally thought that he'll become a writer someday, like a famous Indian writer, R.K. Narayan. And some of his famous books are Malgudi Days, and he actually loves R.K. Narayan, and through this we come to know that maybe Mani's inspiration is R.K. Narayan. So through this he tells us, or he confirms that his hobby will definitely turns to career. So this is all about the first part of the story, hobby turns into a successful career. So now I would like to show something interesting. Yeah, do you know something? Yeah, who is he? Yes, he is C.N. Annadurai. He is our former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. So his hobbies were reading and writing, and he loves to read and write, and he has written a number of books, and just go and visit that, and it will be really helpful to you. So here some statement was drafted by him. Let's see what's that. We'll go to every part of Tamil Nadu and tell the people that Hindi is coming, and that it is like a thunder strike on the heads of Tamil and Dravidian people. If Hindi were to become the official language of India, Hindi speaking people will govern us, and we will be treated like third rated citizens. So yes, so this is our present situation, right? So this was really a correct statement drafted by C.N. Annadurai, and this was not a present situation, it was also happened in earlier days. So through this we come to know that if Hindi becomes an official language of India, definitely Hindi speaking people will govern us, and this will be the result. So this is something interesting and nostalgic. So finally his hobbies were reading and writing. So this is all about the first part of this prose called hobby turns into successful career. So now I would like to recap what we have seen so far. Yes, so we have seen about hobbies in this part. So the protagonist of this story is Mani. Initially Mani has some difficulties in reading and writing. So his grandfather saw his difficulty and he wants to solve the problem of Mani. So he started narrating or telling bedtime stories to Mani. Later he was fond of writing and reading. Then he changed his hobby as reading and writing. And later writing is not just a hobby for Mani, and it also turns into passion or career. So finally he was very vigilant and he sees everything in a different view, and at last he confirmed or confessed that one day he will become as a famous writer called R.K. Narayan. So through this we come to know that writing keeps away from depression, and writing will help us to create our mind in a better way, and it also helps us to increase the creativity level. So this is all about the first part of the story, hobby turns into successful career. So children, please do write the self-assessment in a proper way, and parents, please kindly take photocopy of the self-assessment and send it to the following WhatsApp number. And I have attached the subject material, self-assessment and question bank in the below description for the further clarification. So kindly do it in a proper way. Until then, take care, sleep well, read well, be happy, be safe and be healthy, and thanks for your good listening, children. Good luck everyone. Bye-bye.